of The Voice Kids Season 1. We'll get to meet the top 4. That's Darren, JK, Darlene, and The Voice Kids Season 1 winner, Laika. Now, they're all proud members of the Jollibee Kids Club, and they all love Sabado. So you have to wait up for that interview happening in just a little bit. That's why, it's perfect, because our topic for today is my best weekend ever.
Right.
And speaking of weekend, here's the week.
We have The Voice Kids Season 1 finalists, and of course they are also proud members of Jollibee Kids Club, and let's say good morning to them. Hello.
Good morning. Hello.
All right, so let's talk to them one by one. First, we have Laika.
Hello po.
Hi, good morning.
Hello. We also have Darlene.
Hello po. Good morning po.
And we have JK.
Hello everyone, good morning po.
Good morning. And of course, we also have Darren.
Yes, what's up guys? Good morning po.
Hi, good morning.
Hi, how are you guys? How are you kids doing this morning?
Okay naman po.
Okay naman.
Yes.
Siya naman. Sanay naman kayong magising ng ganito kaaga.
Yes po. Sa akin na rin po sana yan.
And okay, to our kids, we actually are doing like a top 10. Basically, tinatanong namin kung ano yung parang best weekend ever ng mga listeners namin.
Yeah.
So kami,
And usually kasi parang for adults, di ba, ang saya na ng weekends.
Yeah.
But I feel like a lot of the adults that have sent over their entries, parang kadalasan sa kanila, they revert back to their childhood for their
Actually,
best weekends ever.
yung mga best weekend nila, yung mga when they were kids, with their families. So, tanungin natin yung kids, our voice kids who are here with us right now, kung ano yung best weekend ever nila. So, who wants to go first? O sige, si Darren. O sige, Darren, what was your best weekend ever?
My best weekend ever was in Canada po. We would go camping or traveling across Canada during the summer, and usually sinisimula po namin sa Sabado, of course, kasi weekend po, and then yun po, we would enjoy, and it's really fun. So yun po, one of the best weekends.
Wow.
Parang fun, no?
Sarap.
Camping.
Pero ano, di ba, parang iba pa yung camping ng, let's say,
Sa
pag summer,
cross-country,
tsaka camping pag winter.
Yeah.
Parang todo.
May hatak po na trailer. Yung parang nasa aming bahay.
So
During
parang may RV sila sa
Yeah.
likod. Oh, that's so much
That
fun.
sounds fun.
And how would you guys cook and all that?
Doon po sa loob ng trailer, or may barbecue rin po kaming dala.
Oh my God.
Nice.
Oh, napaka-fun
Tsaka,
naman.
of course po yung fire pit. Roast the marshmallows.
At saka di ba,
Alam mo,
ano?
feeling ko talaga, like, until tumanda ka, maalala mo yung mga memories na yan.
Yes,
Like, you
of
look
course
back
po.
at those days and then remember that these are still the best weekends of your life.
And di ba uso ngayon yung glamping?
Oh, yeah.
It's like camping pero like everything
It's
is really
glamorous.
luxurious.
Aircon and whatever.
Diba?
Medyo ano.
Alright, and let's ask ano naman. JK, what is your best weekend ever?
My best weekend ever is going out and watching movies with family and friends, especially kami po ni Darren.
No.
Especially pag Sabado, we don't have any schedules. We like watch movie here, there, and we just watch The Gallows.
Isn't that scary?
Yeah, it was the
You
best.
watched it? Really?
Yes,
I don't even want to watch it because it's so scary. I saw the trailer.
Doon po pala yung Charlie.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
the one with
yeah.
the ano, diba? The parang they went to like some theater tapos parang abandoned na something. Tapos, yeah.
And the maker of The Gallows is The Paranormal Activity and Insidious. Yeah. So parang pinagsama yung dalawang ano po, tapos you must watch this.
And he says it with a smile on his face.
Yeah.
So, medyo I guess hindi sila takot eh.
Actually, maganda yung manonood ka ng scary movie tapos magka-camping kayo. Parang nakatakot talaga.
Parang hindi masyado maganda.
Di ba? Tapos late at night, maalala niyo yung mga scenes na... Tapos while camping at night, doon kayo magcha-Charlie.
Oo.
Did you see the mga YouTube videos on that?
Yeah.
The actual.
But it's scary.
Nakakatakot,
You'd be so paranoid
Yeah,
after.
it is. It's so scary. Okay, so let's ask Darlene naman. Darlene, what is your best weekend ever?
My best weekend po ay makipagkwentuhan sa family and jamming po with my kuya and ate. And pagtapos po na mag-jamming and bonding, pupunta po kami sa mall and kumain po sa Jollibee tuwing Sabado.
Actually,
Gusto ko yung planado na lahat eh.
Hindi siya natatawa ako dun sa difference ng choice of weekend
Of
activity
weekend
ng
nila.
boys and girls.
Oo.
Yung boys manonood ng horror.
Ng horror, scary film,
Yung girls
camping.
magbabanding with
Oo.
friends and family. And of course, we have Laika naman. What is the best weekend ever for you?
My best weekend ever, kumakain po kami sa Jollibee with family tuwing Sabado po.
Siyempre, no? Pagkain talaga no?
Oh, hello. Kahit naman tayo. Anything with food. Masaya na tayo.
Pero tumanda na tayo, ganun pa rin yung goals natin.
Exactly. And ano naman, like, let me ask you kids, parang, you know, I bet you're very, very excited that, you know, na nakuha kayo to actually, you know, revive one of the most loved songs ever. Diba? Na parang, I mean, even the adults are familiar with the song.
Just to give, kasi I guess you guys weren't around yet, you weren't even born yet, but this was like part of my childhood also. Like when I first heard this song, you just know it's Jollibee eh. So ang galing lang na parang you guys get the chance to actually revive it. So, diba parang, how do you guys feel about that?
Oh.
Yes po, of course, sobrang excited po kami when Jollibee asked us to revive the jingle po.
Oo nga po eh, lalo na po na nalaman po namin na sobrang sikat po pala ng jingle dati.
Super.
As in hanggang ngayon naalala pa rin namin siya.
And ngayon po, may chance kami na i-share po bagong version namin, I Love You Sabado, para sa bagong generation po namin.
Nice.
And we are sure po na madami pong makaka-relate dito. Bata man o matanda, kasi lahat naman po tayo looking forward to family weekends. And kagaya din po naman sinabi niyo, super sikat po dati.
So papasikatin niyo siya ulit ngayon.
For a totally
For the
new generation.
Exactly.
Diba?
You know, 15, 20 years down the line, another batch of kids will be like, oh, hey, we know this song.
Actually, funny, like now, you ask any adult, simulan mo lang, sabihin mo lang, I love you, Sabado.
Patid buong ling.
Diba? Parang they know how to segue into the rest of the song.
Alright, so because, you know, we're not professionals at this,
we will leave this to you.
Yes, we will leave this to you guys. The next generation, just reviving the I Love You Sabado jingle. So, do is I'll play the part of the chorus here.
Yes,
and,
yes.
You guys get to sing along, so here they are.
Sabado, pag-inaling ko, hintay ka lang, Jollibee, nandiyan ako. Sabado ang araw ko, masusunod ang puso ko, masaya buong pamilya, at home to Jollibee.
At saka I love how, ano talaga, no? Parang we just ask for a snippet, pero talagang performance level.
Yeah.
Really blending eh.
Oo nga eh.
I feel like that deserves an encore.
And I think that, sige.
Isa pa.
Sige pa, di isa pa.
Kaya niyo pa isa pa?
Sige,
Parang ano
isa pa eh.
Parang
Ginanahan kami.
reminiscent of an old school Jollibee rin, diba? Na isa pa.
Right.
And this time po, sabay po kayo.
Oh, sige.
Sige. Ay, hindi na lang. Ayun na lang.
Okay
Kayo
lang.
lang.
Okay. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
I love you, Sabado, pag-inaling linggo, hintay ka lang, Jollibee, nandiyan ako. Sabado ang araw ko, masusunod ang puso ko, masaya buong pamilya, at home to Jollibee.
Wow!
Yay!
Very much.
Halika, mag-Jollibee na tayo. Ginanahan talaga yun.
Ganahan na bigla.
Yeah,
Sakto pa naman Sabado na
hello
bukas.
din po to the Jollibee marketing team headed by Sir Harvey Ong.
Hello.
So, I'm pretty sure excited kayo kasi having sung the jingle, tapos Friday today, syempre Sabado
diba?
bukas.
Yes.
I'm sure punong-puno yung mga lots of fun activities for you guys.
That's true.
And so there you go. And well, I'm pretty sure a lot of new people, I mean the younger kids, will get to appreciate it. The
same way that
song,
we did.
The same way that we did. Tapos the adults naman who are familiar with the older version,
Parang
will,
refresher.
exactly.
Sing along.
You can like reacquaint yourself.
Parang may
with the song.
nostalgic effect eh. Kasi, and that's perfect because, you know, that's what we're doing also today, the My Best Weekend Ever. So, it's really just like taking you back to when everything was like fun and good.
Exactly. And speaking of weekend, I think Darren would want to invite people to also join in on the fun.
Yes po, of course, we would also want to hear your best weekend experience. You can share them through Jollibee's Facebook page or Instagram, or by calling RX93.1. And don't forget to use the hashtags I Love You Sabado and hashtag My Best Weekend Ever. Ayun.
And why do we hear naman, like sabay-sabay kayo, sabihin nyo lang I love you Sabado.
Ayan.
Sige.
Sige po.
1, 2, 3.
I love you, Sabado!
Yeah. Ganyan din kami.
Ganyan din kami. Alam niyo, pag tumanda
Hinihintay
kayo,
din namin yung
ganun
Sabado.
din. Ganun din hinahanap ninyo.
Monday pa lang, nag-I love you Sabado na kami.
Pero minsan paiyak, I love you, Sabado.
Sasa ka na, Sabado.
But hey, thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
taking the time to drop by.
Yeah.
I'm sure you guys will have a blast tomorrow since it is, again, a Saturday.
Exactly.
So with that, again, thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jollibee.
Ooh.